It's a beautiful Saturday morning in Nova Scotia. Just beautiful, beautiful weather for October. Just left Lunenburg now on the way out to Blue Rocks. A lot of times out here it's shrouded in fog. Picturesque little, I wouldn't call it really a fishing village anymore. It's just one of those places where, you know, there's a sea kayaks, I guess, and artists, craftsmen, and kind of a blend of that. We don't know if there's really any of the old families left that you'd find in fishing villages. But it's nice now that it's sunny to go down in here and have a look around. Typically what happens down here on this south shore of Nova Scotia, you know, in Mahone Bay, Lunenburg, there's a lot of American, a lot of European, German money that comes in, and they buy these properties and they spend a lot of money on them, and to make them the way that they like. They tend to like the remoteness out here, and I can understand that. There's a little road that goes in here to the right. I'll take you in there. It winds its way in right in the midst of the rocks and the houses, and then comes out in Herring Rock Road. I think that, yeah, it's right here. We'll go in here. Not the smoothest road by any stretch. A little bit of gravel. If you didn't know where you were going, I don't think you'd ever bring your motorcycle back a place like this. But you see what I mean, you know, some nice little homes out here. If you would call them homes or maybe cottages. But Blue Rocks is very well known. And then we come to a little intersection down here, right by this little lighthouse. Typically there was a little gift store takeout there. And that would just go back out where I turned right back there to come in. We'll just go out there on the way back. Oh, the seat in this Harley Davidson is so comfortable. Share the road, give everybody lots of room. I got my heat and my vest on my back. It feels really good. The heated handle's on a little bit. Pretty rough here. It's nice to come out here when this place is not fogged in. There's a turnaround down the end here, gravel turnaround. You got to be a little careful in there at times. Could be a lot of traffic at times, people walking around. And this time of year, I don't think there'd be any of the kayak crowd out around, and it's just, yeah, real nice look out here today. So, part of Nova Scotia's South Shore, right next door to Lunenburg. I'll put up a little video about it today and a little map, give you a better idea of what you're looking at. Oh yeah, they got some people in. Ted's with me there behind me and just checking. Just want to go right out? Yeah, okay. You might get a little better view now this side coming out. The great thing, you know, October, I guess I won't just say the Atlantic Ocean, but any water, body of water, the angle of the sun and how it sparkles. And I don't know if somebody pulled you off the face of the earth and stuck you somewhere, and if you've grown up around water, that you can pretty well tell what time of year it is if you knew what time of day it is, and then you saw the, you know, the reflection on the water of the sun. Give you a really good idea what time of year it is. It's just something that's bred right into you from being around the water all your life. Blue rocks, folks, blue rocks. The rocks do have a blue look. But you can see, as I say, it's not what I would call any kind of a fishing village. You can get little charters and stuff. Yep, we'll go right here. Came up through here one day, did the same kind of loop, and there was a wedding, and they had the whole road full. We came through, there was a couple of bikes, and big smiles and waves, and everybody was happy. And then we'll turn left here, back Blue Rocks Road. There's one from my old barn show, right there. And that's where we went in, folks. So there's the loop. So if you come to Nova Scotia, you make sure you come to Mahone Bay, you come to Lunenburg, you come to Blue Rocks. Ah, strong smell of the salt air. give the hand signal to the bike behind you to go single file because there's a pedestrian or traffic on the road. Okay, folks, that's our run for today. Blue rocks.